Class 1 Subject Mathematics Chapter 3 Addition.
One little parrot singing I love you. One more joins in making them two. Two little parrots resting on a tree. One more joins in making them three. Three little parrots looking for more. One more joins in making them four. Four little parrots wanting to die. One more joins in making them five.
Hello students, I am going to discuss addition. Addition is the process of adding two or more numbers. To understand addition, we will take few examples. We see 1, 2 and 3 balloons and we see 1 and 2 more balloons. How many balloons are there altogether? 3 and 2 balloons together make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 balloons. We are actually adding 3 balloons to 2 balloons. So we write 3 plus 2 is equal to. Instead of and, we are writing plus sign. We put a plus sign when we add two or more numbers together. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and the answer obtained is called sum or total. Now children, we will take another example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chocolates. We are adding 1, 2 and 3 chocolates. Now we have to find total number of chocolates. So let's start counting the chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chocolates. So 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Children, we can say that addition is finding the total of two or more numbers. Plus sign denotes addition operation. Equal to sign represent is equal to. Students, let's solve the example of 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? Children, mostly while counting or adding numbers, we make use of fingers of hands. So let's count on fingers. Children, the first number is 2. So let's take 2 fingers, 1 and 2 fingers, plus the other number is 3. So we will take 1, 2 and 3 fingers. So the sum is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 5. Students, do you like butterflies? So let's take the example of butterflies. There are 1, 2 and 3 butterflies. plus 1, 2, 3 and 4 butterflies. Now we have to find total number of butterflies. Let's start counting the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is the sum. Students, let's take up another example. 5 plus 4. Other common method of counting is through drawing the lines. You need to draw the lines carefully. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answer. So let's start drawing the lines. For number 5, we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for number 4, we will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 9. Adding 0. Let us see what happens when 0 is added to any number. There are 2 donuts in the plate plus no donuts or 0 donuts in the second plate. How many donuts are there in both the plates in all? So here 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Thus there are 2 donuts in all. Thus it can be concluded that the sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. Let us do an activity of adding. Children, what you can see? Yes, it is a fish bowl. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3 and 4 fish. So there are 4 fish in the bowl. Plus, what you can see, children? Yes, it is an empty bowl with no fish or 0 fish in it. So we will write 0. So children, think, what will be the answer? Let us count. There are 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish and 4 fish in first bowl. And there are 0 fish or no fish in the second bowl. Altogether, we have 4 fish only. It is clear that if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number because 0 is nothing.